Right, so after drilling all those rivets out, there were still some heads that were left stuck in there, kind of like this, that flared over. They were trying to keep it in place. So once I got the top and bottom completely drilled, then I flipped it over and lightly used a pry bar to pry that away from there. And now what we have is a great template for our installation. So that's our measurement. Fantastic. All right, and then the rear is the same boat. Haven't took it apart yet, but I have a feeling it's gonna be easy. Voila, another template. So now we have the T-top roof section exposed, the most important part for our swap. Let's see what that looks like. Yes, sir. Sorry about my fingers, big old fat fingers. So this is it. Now from what I've seen, we're going to separate the top section from the bottom section. While it's out, I'm going to strip it and paint it, at least primer it, get it ready for installation. But yeah, so that's it. Some cleaning up to do. Pieces to take our measurements from. And a nice little mess to clean up. Hopefully